Yo. So, it's me, Fred. I'm a pretty small content creator on here. And, I don't know if y'all might know me or not. But I'm the, founder and, BW Studios. Same exact, quote-unquote studios that made Booger's Wonderland, and I have a video to make on here. So a week ago, the YouTuber, so as I was saying, so like the YouTuber, the white kid, formerly known as Poppy, you know, he was originally a YouTuber who made dark humor edits, or not edits, but dark humor videos, and then he now makes sports edits. Now, here are these. He was a, well, originally in the pilot episode of Booger's Wonderland, he was going to be, well, Booger. But then we changed the decision and I became Booger. Now, the thing is, though, is he became our editor after we saw the script, the idea of him being the voice actor. So then he became our editor, and now recently, just a week ago, he got fired by me for reasons I will later disclose. Now, sorry, this door keep open, but he has not posted about it, but he was, after we fired him, he got mad, and and we are not the best at editing after we lost our editor, and so we might try to find a new one, hopefully, but till then, our videos might decrease in quality, but we're good enough at editing to where we might be able to, keep our quality, same quality. But yeah, that's gonna conclude this video.